Hey planner friends, we are here in my teacher planner starting the week of August 28th. We are heading straight for September, and I thought I would use some more stickers from the Choose Happy mini sticker book. This is a very old sticker book from the Happy Planner. This is just all a part of using up all of that stash that I got going on. I did already date my planner. I used a Tombow I don't know, marker. I used this end, the smaller end, so that it wouldn't bleed through. I think the first thing I want to do is I want to take some of these hearts and cover up the checklists, like just a few of the dots, not all of the dots. I think that would be fun for Monday. This should be hopefully a very normal week. Last week was interesting. We had some of the hottest days. It was, we had 2 days in a row where the heat index just was crazy. And I know there's many of you out there who have had hotter than what we did for longer periods of time. But I think it's relative, you know, depending on where you live. If you've had, I don't know how it feels when it gets that kind of hot, but we had heat indexes. I know one of the cities by me, it ended up getting as high as 126. And that's the feels like. That was the heat index, not the actual temperature. But still, once you get to that kind of hot, it's just hot. And the humidity was a lot. So it made for a very interesting 2 days. We ended up at my K-3 building rearranging recesses a little bit so that the kids would have a chance to get outside like earlier in the day when it was a little bit cooler. But you could tell, like, with the little ones that just threw their entire, like, you know, we had just gotten into routines and then we threw off their routine. Oh, you could tell it threw them for a loop. I have just enough hearts on this one page to complete my little 3-heart checklist. It's okay that I'm not covering up all of the little dots. I just want to cover up a few. Give her a little character. All right, we do have some things this week, and I'm not going to flip back in my planner because I do have some things that I can't share with you guys. I know I have some more hearts, but we're gonna leave it to that. But Thursday, like, I actually have to do some forwarding tasks because of how the heat rearranged our schedules a little bit. So some classes didn't get to all of the things that they were supposed to get to. Let me grab a pen. Maybe we should use a fun pen this week. I feel like we've already got a pretty fun spread going on. Let's see, let me get my fun pen bag out. So I won't use the Tombows for everything. I like this guy, he's kind of fun. And I've got this one. I have flares in here too I could use, but I do like the, what if we used the pink? What if we grabbed all 3 of these and kept them out? I think that might be the way to go. All right, so we have picture day, so that's important to know. I think that's the big event for my one building there. But then I need to make sure that this class needs to get to WC. We like just barely started it and we were running out of time. This class needs to get to WC, and so does this one. He's our composer of the month for August. So we got partway through it. The first class I had on Thursday, we got through everything. These 2 classes, they just got caught up in discussing drills and the what ifs of drills. And I always tell them the answer to all of your what ifs is listen to the adult in your room, in the room. And they still raise their hand and they go, but what if? And I go, already answered it. Let's use this guy. Put him down here. It's been fun experimenting with how I really want to decorate this planner because, to be quite honest, I don't know. It's just been lots of experimenting. I have really been enjoying the layouts. They are coming very handy. This past week I started the shout outs, so I've been writing in here which students have gotten shout outs. Plus I write it in my grade book. I call it happy mail, I should say, for the kiddos. They get happy mail from me. And that's been a lot of fun. I'm glad I started it early this year because there's been some years where I've tried to do shout outs and happy mail and it just did not. I started it too late in the year. And by the time I started it, I was just couldn't get any traction with it. So it's nice to have like these little paper, you can't see them, these little like paper clips or claw clips. So I did actually have forwarded tasks last week because of all of the changes. Well, Thursday's done. I wanted to make sure I got Thursday done because they were the wonkiest of the schedules. Now let's head back to Monday. Okay. Monday is still in lesson 2. I think I want to jot that down. So, just as a reminder. It's the wonky part about starting halfway through the week with me. Like, I think with the classroom teachers, it doesn't matter. But I have to remember that my first 2 days of the week, they're on the previous lesson, and then Wednesday starts the new lesson. Would that throw you off? It throws me off. Let's put you here. So this was for a mini horizontal planner. And it just has, you know, it works really well in these big daily pages I made. Look at that. That's another sheet done. We're getting there, friends. Ooh, what if I put some stars in here too? We're just gonna play. Who doesn't love playing in their planner? I know those don't cover up as well, but that's okay. I think is there anything else going on Monday? I don't think so. I have a meeting on Tuesday, so that's going to be my... Oh, I know what I want to write on Monday. I was trying to remind myself this. So, update grade books. Now that we've officially gone through a whole week. Update grade books and... sub binder. I got my sub tubs ready to go, but now it's make sure the info binder is all set up too. All right, let's move on to Tuesday. Tuesday is the same, just about the same. We got update grade book. And I know some people would put that in to-dos, but I want to make sure these are the big 3 that have to get done. Sub binder, although I think I got the binder over here taken care of, but it's important to double check, right? Just to be on the safe side. And then school improvement meeting. Okay. Woohoo! All right, let's use this guy, because why not? Another today is the day. I think we're just gonna keep doing this back and forth with the stickers. I like it. It's nice. Unless I don't have another one, then that would be a problem. Use the stripey guy. He'll look good up here. Oh, as I'm consistently going out of frame. It happens. I had asked on my Instagram, maybe you guys know, how do you take pictures of your big happy planner? Because I always find it is a struggle. It's a struggle. I don't feel like it should be though. First, let's add some of my stars here. Make sure slides are ready to go. I've been doing a pretty good job of keeping those up to date though. Let's do Brave Enough to Dream. I'll add this guy at the bottom over here. Maybe we'll put him in the self-reflection area. Decorate that guy out. And maybe we'll add a few more florals to this box. Just to make it look like they were meant to be there. We could, no, because I got it right there. I was gonna say, we could add more there. No, no, no. Okay, let's do the dark blue. There we go. Thank you. Let's do the light pink. No, I don't spend too much time decorating my teacher planner. It does primarily need to be functional after all, but I do like having a little bit of, oh, I like that. You've got this, a little bit of something there. You've got this, and let's do the heart. That's fun. And then we got Friday. And then we're done for the week. Let's go back to my stars. Let's do I think I would like to do a collab called Stash. Like, that's the thing. You have to use stickers from your stash. Find the oldest book you got. I don't know. I'm just silly. We can use a weekend banner for this one. Got Happy Life. I might have to use, I'll use the bright colors another time, but let's see what we got left in our muted colors. We've got weekend. Let's do that. Let's do this one. Just hang it right there. I got a few more florals. I like these guys. Brave Enough to Dream. So this page will look slightly different, but that's okay. Brave Enough to Dream. Let's do a Enjoy Every Day, and maybe the little leaf as well. And over here, even though it's crooked, we'll do the floral. Yay. We've got both of these. I feel like we need to add these guys in. Yay. Let's do something like that. Something like that. I like it. I like it. Super simple, super easy peasy. Just using an old sticker book I got, so I'm going to enjoy looking at this as I go along this week. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you all in the next one.